What's up, guys? So right here we have the new Zorrata collection. The pieces are awesome, timeless, classic, affordable, and quality. So I'm going to show you guys one by one how these pieces look on my hands and fingers and wrists, and you can make your own choice on which ones you want. And you can also use my promo code Carlos20 upon checkout at Zorrata.com. Let's begin this.
From home, out in these stars, I might grow old. It looks so warm, but feels so cold. Out in these stars, I'm on my own. You can pull me closer and find me when we're older. I'll be waiting for you. I'm inflating for you. You can dance here with me. Fire out your wings and fly, you're free. Just stick to me, in time you'll see. You'll come alive, you're so happy. You can pull me closer and find me when